Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix Siri Not Talking working on iPhone in iOS 18. So let's start the video. Solution 1. Choose Prefer Spoken Response. For that, launch the Settings application in your iOS device. Now, scroll down to see Apple Intelligence and Siri and tap on it. Then tap on Siri Response. Here, you need to select Prefer Spoken Response. Solution 2. Change Siri variation and voice. For that, launch the Settings application in your iOS device. Scroll down to see Apple Intelligence and Siri and tap on it. Then tap on Siri Voice. Here, you need to change your variation and voice.
The colors of the sky fade with the setting sun, as the stars begin to shine through the clear night.
Solution 3. Disable and re-enable Siri. Open the Settings application. Then tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. In the Apple Intelligence and Siri, go to Talk to Siri. Here, turn off the toggles for press side button for Siri and select off. Now wait for few seconds, then turn on the toggles for press side button for Siri, then set up your Siri again.